Hey everyone, as you may or may not already know, we at Cardo have updated our entire product line to now be able to have a true native Bluetooth intercom pairing with any Sena headset running on Bluetooth 4.1 or higher. So let's get right to it. I'll show you how to pair these two headsets for intercom. This here is the PackTalk Edge and the Sena 30K. Let's turn on the PackTalk. And we'll turn on the 30K. Now the PackTalk is in DMC intercom mode. Let's get that thing over to Bluetooth intercom mode. And then we just put it into normal intercom pairing mode.
Pairing initiated.
On the Sena 30K, press and hold the jog dial for its native intercom pairing mode.
Intercom pairing.
And now we just wait for them to pair up. Perfect, these two are paired with each other. We can hear that and we can see the double blue flashing lights. Now I can close the intercom from the Sena side by tapping the jog dial. I can open it from the Cardo side. It's now open. I can close it from the Cardo side. And of course I can open it from the Sena side. Intercom is open and these two units are paired together for intercom. We know that that's been one of the most requested features. And to be able to pick any Cardo that you want, pair it up with your buddy, even though they chose that other unit, it's a big deal. It's your feedback that's the source for these advancements. So keep the feedback coming. We're not done yet. And know that we're committed to making that connection process as smooth as possible. Thanks for watching. See you next time.